Hey, good morning, everyone. And good morning to you, dogs.
Okay, girls.
They think someone's here. So it is super nice out, overcast, and we're gonna take advantage of that and start working on the motorhome. But it's been sitting a while, so what we're going to do is fire it up, make sure all the parts and engine sounds cool, so you get to hear it too. And just make sure everything's working mechanically.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Is that the spider web crawl?
I'm doing the scan so one doesn't go on my head. Okay. That's fine. Ugh, it's comfortable seats, I will say. They're so squishy. Alright.
Listen to this kitty purr. What?
Oh no.
Wait.
Nothing.
Try turning the steering wheel? Maybe it's locked. It's in park?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope so. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Okay, that's not what I was hoping to see happen. Can you pop the hood?
Is that the... Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not even like... Usually when you put the keys in, it goes like...
You're right, there's nothing. Come on, this is like a semi-new battery too.
Well, my theory is there's some sort of trickling leak because when we died at the CHP when we were getting inspected, that's when that battery went out, and then I think whatever work we did before in here, or whatever we ripped out that was pulling from energy in here, there's some sort of residual pull that's still happening that isn't cut off.
Yeah.
And so it's going to just keep draining the battery. So even if we replace the battery, I don't think that's going to solve it, that it'll drain again. I think there's something deeper we need to look into.
We have ourselves a parasitic draw.
Oy. So we need to take a closer inspection of what's going on in there. So I have an idea. I'm going to shove Joe's face into the engine area and we're just going to see what happens.
Okay, yeah. I think there's something over here that's, I think there's wires. Okay. Oh my gosh. Big problem.
Really though?
Yeah. One, look at this. That's chewed.
Oh.
Dude, stuff is like heavily chewed. Secondly, what is this? Like, it's missing. You gotta see this.
Oh, right here.
This is not good.
Oh my gosh, look. This to this. It was connected here, I think. Or...
What? Okay. Check out what's going on. Can you point those out?
Okay. So it's like scrapey, chews. This looks like a cut. It doesn't even look like it's been chewed. But then like all the way chewed in here. Like all these wires are chewed.
Oh man, no. You could just...
This chewed. Like even that, whatever, something was chewing on this stuff.
Oh man, we have like stuff that's not connected completely.
Like what? That doesn't even, like, did somebody just come cut up everything, or did a animal really do that?
Dude, this scares me so much.
It's just a lot to replace. They're cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Well,
So yeah, honestly, I mean, it seems like there might be mice,
rats.
but it's kind of horrifying because some of these look like clean cuts, as if someone was in here.
Yeah, that's sketchy.
I think that's like the igniting
Ignition?
assembly. Yeah, it has the ignition, and this is the distributor cap, which is sending the spark plug. Well, don't quote me on that. I know that's important. This is feeding the spark plugs. the distributor cap, and it's cut off from the ignition assembly.
Coil with.
Oh, the igniter.
Okay.
Oh man, this is not good. I don't know if someone's been in here. It doesn't make sense, but now I'm really nervous.
Thank goodness for YouTube and watching all the other RV people, van lifers. A common issue people have is mice chewing up everything. So as heart aching as it is,
yeah.
I know we're not alone, and I know it's fixable.
Yeah.
There's just a lot of things to backtrack and see if they work and decide whether it's important to replace it now or to wait until we're in a position to protect it better.
Right.
Or is there a way that we can seal this in better, or like do I need to go heavy on my essential oils? And
yeah,
like,
exactly.
I don't know. We need to do some strategizing.
Yeah, do any of you have experience with keeping rodents out? Or people?
Yeah. That's why we're like, maybe we need a camera.
Yeah, good thinking. Yeah, we're putting so much work into this motorhome that I think we're becoming really protective, and we want to.
This is a huge investment.
It
we're
is,
spending
exactly.
a lot of our money. And
exactly.
we're becoming poor. This episode is going to look a lot different than we thought it would.
Yep. These gotta be.
And like that one's going to need to be replaced.
Ah. Luckily, these aren't like terrible. These are plug and play. That's the beauty in this. Is.
Oh, so same with this one.
Yeah. So these, you just pop them off, pop them on. It's not something that has to be
pretty or like permanently.
Yeah, like rewired and soldered
really nice.
or anything like that. So.
But this one. Oh no, that one's another plug.
We've been doing some research. This is our little research corner for today. This is sucky. We live in a rural area and we are constantly fighting rodents, a lot of field mice and stuff like that. So it was just a few months ago, our regular commuter car, the Toyota Camry, got some of the wires chewed through. So I suppose we're not surprised that the Toyota got hit pretty hard. So we've been trying to find ways to deter them, prevent it. I don't know if we could ever fully deter them because we're in their territory. So we're just trying to figure it out, do our best. Anyways, that's all. We're gonna try this stuff and see how it goes. Hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to Craft Time with Joe and Emily. As you can see, we've got some pot molds here and some cement, and you know what, we're really into plants and succulents and making our own crafts and DIY stuff. So this is what we're doing when we're not working on the motorhome. And like, let me just show you what we've been up to. This is a mold that we made. It's earth tree green, and we picked these succulents and Emily planted them in there, and look how cool this turned out. The webs are because it's October. Ooh. But really, this is what we do for fun. I don't know, I'm just being weird. And we're starting to have way too many of these all over the place, and we were thinking maybe we'll give them away to you. We're gonna start one of them Patreons, and maybe if you sign up, we're just gonna start shipping you our free pots and succulents and all sorts of other gifts, because why the heck not? And we use Patreon to support a lot of people we watch and enjoy. So if you support us, it's just gonna go right back to them. So it's a win-win, win. When? Now. Okay, let's get back. Oh, yes. Come on. Woo! Yeah, look at that. Dang. People, you could win this.
If you want this, comment what plant you would put in it.
Yeah.
And maybe we'll just send you a plant for free anyways, because this was free to send us. Giveaway.
The truth. Ooh.
Oh, you can see it. It's
Yeah.
super cute. I mean, now I don't want to put a pot on it. I just want to that looks sick. And the bottom looks cool too.
Yeah, we're just experimenting.
So that's super our vibe.
Yeah.
We don't know if that compromises the integrity or not. I like how some of the leaves stayed on the molding too.
Whoops.
I don't know if you can see that.
This is fun. Dude, these are sick.
10 out of 10.
Hope you guys like pots and plants.
Yes, we do.
It's been our vibe lately.
So if you look at our house, it's my vibe for a long time.
For a long time. Anyways, if you want to watch us be weird, there's a little thing called Patreon. You're gonna get some weird stuff.
Yeah, that's when you get to see, or you're gonna meet some of our other sponsors that we haven't brought to this channel. We'll bring to Patreon.
Oh yeah.
And if you don't know what that means, I guess you'll have to go on to Patreon to see what that means.
Oh dang! All right, we are throwing in the towel for today. We're going inside.
We're gonna go watch a scary movie.
Yeah. I hate scary movies.
I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be.
All right. Happy October! Haha! Cheers. Gotta say, this is our favorite month for several reasons. We've got 2 birthdays, Emily and I, and we have our anniversary directly between our birthdays. Amazing.
Anniversary.
That's what we call it. It's awesome. So we made some fall drinks. Emily made the coolest flower bouquet that I've ever seen in my life.
Bouquet.
Bouquet. So we're gonna kick off fall with some smoked peach maple bourbon whiskey drinks with thyme.
Took some time.
Took some time. Happy fall, everyone.
Happy fall. Ooh, those are nice.
I like that.
All I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too.
Hey, we never come up here. This is such a good view of the sunset, and it's just a nice little field, and we decided it's time. They like running around.
Who wants dinner? Let's go get dinner. Come
Also,
on,
it's
girls.
dinner time. Let's go, doggos. Hey! Welcome back to Yesterday's Tomorrow today. So, thank goodness this is such a common product at all the auto parts stores. These little like wormy snake things that apparently make your engine run.
Import direct silicone.
Yeah.
But aren't these also the soy wires?
Yes, they are the soy-based wires. I wish they had like some better.
So we probably shouldn't even install these until we put that coating on them with the capsaicin or whatever's going to prevent them from getting nibbled on.
Yeah, we're gonna coat these in either like some spicy pepper mixed with a braided steel protective cover, but we're gonna get these swapped out.
So
And
tune in next week when we actually do something.
yeah, pretty much. Hopefully we can get this thing started. Thank you guys for watching. This is it for this week. We're out of here. Rolling.
So we need to make a
Hey, what's Joe and Emily? We have a YouTube channel. Why?